See how she works.
Okay, so I have the thing plugged into my truck. Again, it's a 2022 Tundra, so it's got the nice large display. And there it is. It popped up right away, and I just hit the continue button here. It's connecting. And I have it set up on my home network, so it's on the home Wi-Fi. So it looks like it's back online. So, and it has this home button up here. Pretty cool. Go home there. All right. So right in here, which is awesome, right? So you got Prime Video, works great. You can shop on Amazon. HBO Max, for whatever reason, the volume doesn't work. The Waze still works, which on your regular Apple CarPlay works already. Yahoo Finance and Netflix up here. So let's open that up. And again, I'm on my home Wi-Fi network. And there it is. Look at that. Okay, let's go to home team. What's that? Play. Boom. Not bad at all. It's awesome. And with this new display, I mean, it's really good for what it is inside the truck. It's awesome. I love it. And see here, the cord is pretty short. It's just sitting there, so I got to get another cord. It's a little bit longer. So that's Netflix. All right, just get out of there. You can this home button you can move to where it's out of the way. So like right there, and just click on that. And home. Get out of there. All right. So now you got, let's say, Prime Video. The VLC player, so that way you can watch movies that you have in your